Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram and today's video topic is entire visa process to till receive your residence card from Luxembourg City. So what is the process, how many documents you require and how you follow step by step process. So I will provide you detailed information in this video, so please watch till end this video. So couple of months ago, I am receiving new offer letter from the Luxembourg country. So first of all, you complete your interview process. So you receive such kind of offer letter from the company, and company are providing you visa process and all those things. So first of all, you receive the offer letter, and then company, if your company is a top 5 or standard company, so company are providing you one of the person are helping you to the complete your document process. So first of all, you receive your visa, so then company are sending you email regarding the document list and so on. So you scan your entire passport from first page to last page and inside the all pages and send the particular person your documents. If you are living within Europe, so you can provide them as a European residence card also and the passport detail. So both are two documents you can send the person, and the person are complete your document verification process within a 1 to 3 month in between. So my point of view, I will provide you information. I received the offer letter of the 1st of December and I apply for the visa related information till 10th of December, and I am receiving my work permit in Luxembourg City like around 15th of February. So around 2 months completed, I am receiving initially 3 months visa, like 90 days visa, because of I am living here in Europe, like in Denmark, and via Denmark I am applying these documents. If you are living in India, Bangladesh, Pakistan or any other Asian, you can decide like you can spend as a 3 months time to receive such kind of 3 months visa documents. So if you are living in Europe, so you receive such kind of one page visa related documents. If you are living in India or outside Europe, so they are providing you such kind of sticker for your passport, and you receive this document. And then after you receive such kind of visa, you can enter here in Luxembourg City. Before coming in Luxembourg, first of all, you fix out your accommodation. If company are providing you accommodation, that is well and good. Otherwise, if you are looking new accommodation in Luxembourg City, so this is one of the best platform to book your accommodation, and that platform name is a furnished.lu. I book my accommodation specially from this particular organization. And then next point comes here, very important. Within 3 days you can make your declaration form. So where you receive such kind of declaration form, you can check out your nearest commune. You visit on commune, taking this particular residence document and your passport and the specific visa you are receiving. So you carry those 3 documents, and then after you receive this particular declaration. So this declaration is a free of charge, no need to spend single euro. So you can apply this declaration within 3 days. If you are arriving there in a Friday, so Friday you are not able to, Saturday, Sunday and Monday morning you definitely visit on your commune, nearest commune office, and you just visit on the commune office and then pick the one token, and they are providing you this declaration form. Because of this declaration form, you are registered from the Luxembourg and you arrive here with this particular visa. So you receive declaration now. And second point comes here, in between your company are providing you pension related document within a first week, and after you complete your declaration form, so Luxembourg government are providing you social security number, and this social security number is a unique. You just inform anyone this particular social security number, so your all informations are displayed to the particular screen. After receiving the declaration, next point come here, you visit nearest doctor via booking the doctor application, and the particular doctor are checking your entire body. If you have any problem regarding, the doctor are asking you some of the questions. Because of this document is very mandatory. And next point comes here, you need to complete here in the diabetes test. For the diabetes point of view, you need to book appointment before start your journey in your home country. Because of I booked the appointment, like suppose for example I'm receiving the visa 10th of February, same day I booked the appointment of the doctor, and I'm receiving this appointment like a February, March, April and May. 11th May I'm receiving this doctor appointment. So lot of queues are going on, especially on Luxembourg. So always you book the diabetes test before traveling in your home country or home location. It's my suggestion. Where you book this particular diabetes test appointment, you can visit on video description. I already make a video where you exactly book the this particular doctor this particular documents. If you are not testing your diabetes related checkup for the via government hospital, you can't eligible to receive next biometrics related appointment. Because of this document is mandatory. Before going to diabetes test, you need to check up local doctor first of all. So this documents are relate on this doc, and each and every places people are asking you declaration, so you always carry this particular declaration documents also. So you can carry entire documents, those documents relate on each other. After completed my diabetes test, like my diabetes tests are completed on 11th of May, and I am receiving biometrics related documents like a 1st of June. So within a 1 month I am receiving the biometrics related documents. The documents are providing me, you can visit on this particular URL and book your personal appointment. So I am receiving this document 1st of June, and I booked same day for this particular appointment, and I am receiving my time slot. I am receiving the time slot in 1st of July 2022. Means some 20 days ago I am receiving this particular appointment for the biometrics, and then I completed my biometrics on 1st of July 2022. So same day they are providing me, you can come to 8th of July and collect your biometric residence card. So this is an entire process to collect your offer letter to your residence card. So if you are facing some problem regarding the visa process in Luxembourg City, I am the person helping you to each and every point very clearly. You can ask me on comment section. If you really like this video related information, so please hit the bell icon and subscribe our YouTube channel. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.